Hey guys, so today we're going to look at how to run Android on a Windows computer. Now this is great for when you want to play that game you have on your Android phone, but your Android phone keeps freezing, or if you've got an old phone that WhatsApp's not working too well on, you can run BlueStacks, which is basically an Android emulator, which will allow you to do everything you can on an Android device on your computer. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to need to do is we're going to need to download the BlueStacks player. Now you can go to www.bluestacks.com. Once you arrive there, you can click on download BlueStacks. You can then click on download again. We're then going to click on save file. It's going to begin to download. Now I've already downloaded it, so I'm just going to cancel that and go to my downloads. And I'm going to run the installer. The next thing that's going to happen is the installer is going to go open up, and now we're going to click on install now. As you can see, it will begin to install. Once it's finished, you can click on complete. Now, as you can see, this first boot might take a bit of time, similar to an Android phone starting up for the first time. So it's just setting all the defaults and starting up. Once that is complete, it will then bring you to this welcome screen. We're just going to click Let's Go. Say I'm going to try and connect to the internet. I'm just going to make it full screen. Now, as you know, with any Android phone, the first thing you need to do is sign in with a Gmail account. So I'm just going to log in here. And then we're going to click on Next. Then need to enter our password. And agree. Okay, and then we can start using it. Now, similar to any Android operating system, we do have the Google Play Store, which is what we can use to download any games or anything like that. So I'm just going to download WhatsApp. And click install. Also download some games, so let's go Candy Crush. Okay, we can click install. Then, as you can see in the bottom left hand corner, we have the back button and the home button. I'm just going to click on home while we wait for our applications to finish downloading. As you can see, WhatsApp has been installed. And Candy Crush has been installed. I'm just going to click on it. It's going to open up. And as you can see, Candy Crush as normal. Okay. We also have the option to toggle full screen in the bottom right hand corner here. And there we go. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. Please always remember to like and subscribe, and please leave a comment if you've got any questions.